Hello, Smarty Kids. Welcome to Smarty Kid TV, where learning is a blast. Today, join Buddy, Max, and Luna in the mystery of the disappearing homework. Grab your detective hats and let's solve this case. Luna's homework keeps disappearing, and she's frustrated. Max and Luna turn into detectives to solve the mystery, discovering Buddy is turning the papers into paper airplanes. They learn about organizing, responsibility, and problem solving. Oh no, Luna's homework is gone. Again, where could it be? Time for Max and Luna to turn into super detectives. Dialogue. Luna, frustrated, my math homework was right here. This is the third time it's disappeared. Max, don't worry, Luna. Detective Max is on the case. Let's look for clues. Buddy, nervously giggling. Maybe it flew away. A clue. Paper airplanes everywhere. Max and Luna are hot on the trail. Can they crack the case? Max, look, Luna. This paper airplane has your handwriting on it. Luna, that's my homework. But who's making these? Max, let's check the backyard. I bet the culprit is close. Buddy is caught folding Luna's homework into a paper airplane, laughing. Max and Luna confront him, holding a stack of paper airplanes. Buddy looks sheepish but giggles. The scene shifts to them sitting together, organizing papers in a colorful folder. Gotcha, Buddy. The mystery is solved. But how will our detectives help Buddy be more responsible? Luna, Buddy, you turned my homework into airplanes. Buddy, giggling, they fly so well. I just wanted to have fun. Max, Buddy, homework's important. Let's make a special folder to keep it safe. Luna, and we'll make paper airplanes from scrap paper instead. Buddy hands over the homework, looking sorry. Max and Luna show him a bright blue folder labeled Luna's homework. They fold scrap paper into airplanes, laughing as they fly them. Educational note. Teach responsibility, taking care of important things, and organizing, using folders to stay tidy. Don't forget to subscribe to Smarty Kid TV for more funny and educational videos.